Technical analysis, basic momentum indicators. Now it's time to add a new and different set of technical tools to your arsenal of momentum indicators. They are useful in helping to answer the following common trader dilemmas. What do you do if a currency pair, or any asset, is making historic highs or lows, so there isn't enough, or any, support or resistance to guide you in making entry and exit decisions? How do you know you're not buying at the top, or selling short at the bottom, just before the trend ends? Ideally in either case you'd wait for a pullback of some kind, but meanwhile you risk missing out on the trend. If you're in a winning trade and it approaches your planned exit, how do you know if you should take your planned exit, or leave at least some of the position in hopes of letting profits run with a trailing stop? The basic problem traders and investors face is that we get paid for being right about what happens in the future. Yet most of the popular indicators we've covered thus far are more lagging than leading indicators. They tell us about the past, and from that information all we can do at best is to form some hypotheses about the future. What's a trader to do? Use momentum indicators. They're leading indicators because they can tell you whether a trend is strengthening or weakening. They can tell you if an asset is overbought or oversold relative to past activity over a given period, and so indicate if the trend is more likely to reverse direction. Knowing these can help you forecast changes and be more profitable. Momentum indicators can give you additional clues to put the odds of being correct even more in your favor. There are many momentum indicators, but for now we will introduce just a few of the most effective and easiest ones to use. Double Bollinger Bands. Moving average crossovers. Three kinds of basic oscillators: moving average convergence divergence, relative strength index, and stochastic. As with any indicator, you can use these without fully understanding how they work, though if you do, you'll be able to use them more effectively and know how to adapt them to specific situations.